Let's go ahead.
It's me. Tell your friends it's her.
I'm taking down my hair now and watching Drag Race. I have all these micro braids that I used to do my parts, if y'all remember my last video. Why my dumb ass do that? That was a terrible idea because now it's taking me double as long to take the shit out and I'm already like very over it. So my plan is to leave little micro braids and that might just do what he do and leave them under my wig and just wear my wig like normal because I don't think that's gonna happen. Not in one day, that's for sure. So now we're just taking out our braids and watching some Drag Race. It's taking forever. I'm excited to do my wig though. The wig is basalasin. I watched it last night and I'm glad that I did that because I was feeling lazy and I wasn't gonna do it. And then we're gonna install this wig, baby. I'm excited for this install because I got a new glue. Shout out to my homegirl Tracy who gave me this glue because I didn't have none otherwise, and that was a problem. So shout out Tracy Poe, my Tracy baby pumpkin wumpkin poopity doopity. I'll probably tag her in the description. She does like lock inspiration and she sells rugs. You know, I'm adding like some pictures and shit. We're gonna put space for the pictures over there. Yeah, space for the pictures. Cool. Ooh, I wanna cry. If my eyes wasn't so dry from being stoned, I'd cry. I will talk to y'all when I'm more closer to done. I'll talk to y'all later. Bow, bow. Oh, that was not a good idea. I shouldn't have done that. All right, I just ate. I'm sleepy. Got a couple of braids left. Take a little break, get a little snuggles. So I washed my hair and got all the gunk out from like the parts and stuff. So now I'm braiding them down. So yeah, I'm just adding a little more product to my fingers before I start braiding. So we're gonna put this sucker like that. Right? Okay. Now I trimmed my lace earlier. I'm hoping I ain't cut too much lace off. We a little white, but you know, we're gonna put some makeup on it. Yeah. That's a better idea. And then we'll see again. We'll see again. Yeah. I think it'll be good once I put makeup on it. Yeah. So I never used Ghost Bomb before because I usually take my wig off when I sleep, but I know I'm probably not gonna be able to do that with this glue. Shout out to my nigga Tracy again. Without Tracy, this wig install, well, it would have still been possible, but just not right now. And right now is when I needed it. So really happy. Thank you, Tracy. You're a real one. I'm so scared, y'all. All right, y'all, so I just put on the second layer of glue. Okay, I think that's pretty. Maybe wait a little longer, I don't know, guys. I'm scared. Okay. Now we band for an hour and just push that shit in. And then I'm gonna also scarf because I want this to stay on. This motherfucker better be on my mama. We're gonna see what we're working with these curls, girl. I wanted just a loose little, you know. I didn't want too much going on. I just wanted a simple little something. Maybe I don't want a brush. The brush seems too aggressive. Need a wide tooth comb. I'll be right back. So I didn't wait the hour. My head started screaming at me. I can't do that. I commend the girls who can do it. I can't do it. That shit was hurting my brain. I'm real scared for this next part, y'all. I don't never style my wigs on my head, if you haven't noticed. And so now I'm gonna have to try to, while it's on me. I'm so scared I'm about to burn the shit out of myself. We got the band on again. Styled my wig on my head before. Can you tell? I decided to change to a side part last minute, so y'all gonna see the finished product in the end of this video, but I didn't stick with the middle part. Thank you guys so much for watching. How do y'all feel about the side part? I really like it. It's given. Be sure to give us a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.